Hi, in today's video I will show you how to fix iPhone two-factor authentication code not receiving. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up. Let's check the basic step first. Swipe down your control panel, go to focus, check if do not disturb is activated. If activated, remove it do not disturb from your phone. Second, go to the flight mode, tap on that and flight mode activated, wait 3 seconds and untap it and you can see quick refresh of internet connection and the mobile network. Next thing you want to do is go to your message, check if there's any previous verification code. If you found any previous verification code, please delete those so you won't get confused with the latest one. And next step you have to do is go to your settings and go to your network section and select your Wi-Fi and select this eye icon and tap on the forget this network and tap forget. And once you forget, and you can reconnect to the network and make sure your mobile network is not connected. If it's connected, disconnected that one and connect to the strong Wi-Fi. After done that, next thing you have to do is go to your setting and go to the phone app, tap on that and check the number. Verify this is the number you are trying to get verification code for. After that, you have to scroll it down, tap on the general, scroll down, tap on the device and VPN management and make sure there's no any VPN connected. If it's any connected, please make sure to disconnect the VPN. After that, you have to do is go to your transfer or reset iPhone and tap on the reset option and select the reset network setting, and this will reset your network setting to default. And go back and tap on the language and region and select the region option and select the country which you are in right now correctly. Once it's done, tap on the date and time and make sure to this toggle is enabled, set automatically. And once it's done, and go to the software update and check there's any updates available. If it's available, update the latest iOS version. Once it's done, restart your iPhone. Once it's restarted your iPhone two-factor authentication code not receiving problem will be sorted out. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up.